Welcome to our GROHE workshop. Today, I will show you how to install the GROHE K700 stainless steel sink as standard in 5 easy steps. First, let's take a look at the tools you will need. The box contains the sink with all the connecting parts and the cutout templates. By the way, taking a look at the instructions, which are also included, certainly doesn't hurt. Now we'll start with the installation. First of all, the worktop should be covered to avoid any damage. Gloves should also be worn during the installation for your safety. Now check the stainless steel sink for damage. Then install the eccentric valve. For the black seal, make sure that the opening of the profile points upwards. Insert the seal and screw tightly using the strainer. Only tighten by hand initially. Now check whether the worktop is level. Perfect. Now prepare the cutout of the worktop with the cutout template. 2 templates are included, one for installation at the top and one for below. In our case, we need this one for installation at the top. Position and align the template according to the spacing. Also check whether it is necessary to include any protrusion of the worktop here. Now cut out the template and position it. Attach adhesive tape to the cut edge to ensure a clean cut. Then mark the cutout. Now drill the holes for the jigsaw and start cutting. Done. The sealing tape can be directly attached to the worktop, or alternatively to the sink. The latter has the advantage that the sink can still be readjusted once it has been fitted in the worktop. Now the cut edges of the worktop are sealed with silicone to prevent moisture penetration. Then insert the sink. Now attach the mounting brackets to the sink from below. They are simply inserted into the holder. Then tighten the screw. Now it's time to install the overflow. When inserting the seal, make sure its contact surface is level so that it rests perfectly on the sink. Then position the overflow into the rear of the sink and fix it with a screw from the front. Now attach the cover with the logo. Then align the outlets and tighten it at the top using a coin. Now attach the strainer. The other part of the overflow can now also be installed. Finally, the outlet is assembled and adjusted according to the enclosed image. Connect. Perfect. Now test once and check for tightness. Now it's time for the handover. Before the job is done, there are still a few things left to check. Job done. That was easy. You will manage it easily too. Good luck.